Hi guys, I'm here with another tutorial for computers, for PC. Um, this tutorial is gonna be about how to get your Wi-Fi password with just a click. Meaning, I'm gonna create a program which is called a batch file script. Script meaning it's just a piece of a code. It's not actually programming, but it's I call it batch programming. Batch file programming is when you click the program and it automates a command, a Windows command like directory, and other ones that people use, ipconfig. So what I'm gonna do here is show you step by step how to create one. If you really want to know about batch file programs, there's so many tutorials out there. You could just Google it or go to YouTube, and it can show you more basics. But I'll just show you how to get your Wi-Fi password with just a click in an instant. Some of you guys are familiar with batch files, some are not. But some of you guys are familiar with this command that runs through the CMD and you can get your Wi-Fi password. Some of us know, but I'm gonna make something easier for you guys. So when you click on the file, it gives you your Wi-Fi password instead of going to your modem, router, or going to the website trying to find out what's your password. This one was just a click, boom, and it's there. Okay. Most of my videos are batch file, and a lot of people don't understand what I'm doing, and some do. So if you do, you're in the right place. You know how to write a batch file program. Will be easier for you. But some that don't, like I said, maybe you could just practice and create all kinds of different batch files to automate a command. Okay, so the best editor for this is Notepad. Simple. You open it and let me see. Hold on, sorry. And you type add echo off, which means once you bring the password up, you won't see all this gibberish or all this. Like when you open the command prompt, you see all this. This would just clear it, if you know what I mean. Color is another command, which gives it different kinds of type of color, and I use 17. It's another command, you can look it up. 17 is blue and white to make it fancier, the background. If I show you here, color 17, and you'll see the background changing. You see, the one I like to use for like a hacker, 0A. See, if I go back, color. See, type exit to exit the CMD. So let me see if I can have this here. Then I don't know the big command, to get the Wi-Fi password for the CMC. I don't know it, so I think I create this here for example. And here it is, the famous command. Trying to copy it here, and then I'll paste it into the program. Paste it, and there you go. And this is the you could look it up online. It will just say like, oh, I want the command to get my Wi-Fi password. So is Nesh WLAN show profile name, which goes right here between these two quotes. I don't really use the quotes, but sometimes the program might not work without them. But I think you could do without the quotes. After that, you put your Wi-Fi name, or is this ID name, or your Wi-Fi name, which like mine is whatever. And then next to that, this is how you edit it. You put key clear, which it brings up your password in text, your Wi-Fi password in text. Then once you get this command on here, do these 3 commands on the top. This, you go down here, you type the command, enter on the bottom, and you hit pause. Pause is another command. Is when it's like, let me see. Oops, what the heck is that? You go on the command pause and you press pause here, and you see how it brings it. It doesn't. I mean, when a program opens, it actually executes the command, and then what happens is it closes right away. With the pause, you're telling it to pause, wait a minute, and then you hit enter, and it pauses the program. You hit enter and it closes. So what you do is save it, or save it as. I save it to the desktop, and you put whatever you want to name it. Wi-Fi password. I'll put Wi-Fi.bat. Remember, every time you do a batch file program, you save it as .bat, the extension. So if you see a regular file, you'll see it Wi-Fi.txt for text document. But this one, you have to save it as the name .bat. Else it's not going to work. Hit save, and it's right here. Once you click it, it shows everything. Well, because I'm not going to put my own, so I execute it, and this is what it came out, the outcome. And that's what it shows. Name of your Wi-Fi, SSD name of your Wi-Fi, and when you see this is key contact, and this is where your password is. So pretend this is my program. Execute it, and it'll show my password like this. And then you just go to key contact, and your Wi-Fi will be there, and that's it. So if you any Wi-Fi you connect, if you have this code, click on it, and it'll give you their password. You go to someone's house and they say, "Hey man, can I use your Wi-Fi?" Okay, let me enter the password. They don't want to show it. Execute the command. When they're not looking, boom, and there it goes. Use it. This is for educational purposes, and that's how so simple you get your Wi-Fi with just a click. Another thing, if it doesn't work, like I said, just right click it and run it as administrator, because Windows 7 and Windows 10, some programs or commands, they will not let you. So if this pops up and you enter the right commands code and it shows empty, then you have to right click, run as administrator, and boom, there you go. And that's how you thanks for watching. I hope you guys this will be useful for you, just subscribe. And just by looking at my videos is a lot of help. So thank you, and I hope this will help you. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.